In this tutorial, we will learn how to utilize txt2holo in order to generate rotating 2D holograms from Stable Diffusion. The best way to run txt2holo is to use an external keyboard connected to the phone with Bluetooth. It's possible to run the app without using a keyboard, but you will have to take out your phone every time to type in the prompt. To access the txt2holo app, visit the site at txt2holo.hal51.ai. You can use the keyboard shortcut Alt+Enter to make the app full screen. To select the text box with your keyboard, press Tab. You'll also see that the text in the app is running backwards due to the mirror. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+left arrow to invert the image so that the text is oriented in the right direction. You can also use Ctrl+right arrow to set it back. Now let's write a prompt and have Stable Diffusion generate an image for us. Currently, the app works on both Android and iOS devices, but for iOS you must use the app in kiosk mode in order to get it to run in full screen and won't be covered in this tutorial. And there you have it, a 2D rotating hologram on your LemurBox. To refresh the page, you can press Command+R. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos from HAL51AI.